Dear students, today we will try Karnaugh map, that is reducing Boolean expression means using Karnaugh map. So I took one simple example here. So I prepared the sheet, and in the K map or Karnaugh map we will use the rectangles as per the variables. If there are 4 variables, we will take 4 into 4. That means it will be like 16. So 4 variables are there. Now there are 16 rectangles. Maybe in the exams they will give one question: reduce f of ABCD is equal to summation of 0, 4, 14, 15 using K map. Reduce this equation in the equation form using K map. Okay, and these are the min terms and f of ABCD. And when the 4 variables are given, we will make the assumption that there are 2 variables on this side, 2 variables on this side, A, B, C, D, 4 variables. Okay, now this one we will take it as a 0, 0, that is nothing but C bar, D bar, C bar, D bar, and 0, 1, and that is C bar, D, and then 1, 0 we will take in this place, and that is nothing but C, D bar, and the 1, 1 in this place, that is C and D. Same way we will follow on this side. So 0, 0, that is A bar, B bar, 0, 1, that is A bar, B, and then 1, 0 at the bottom. So that will be here 1, 0, so A, B bar, and then A, B in this place. Same way how we have taken on this side, same way we took it here. Simplifying the Karnaugh map when the equations are given. So whatever values are given, that we will take it as a decimal values, M0, M4, M14 and M15. Min term 0, min term 4, min term 14, min term 15 are given. That means we will make the assumption all these are 1 and all other values are 0. So I will write in the same way. So M0 is here, correct? This is M0. M4 is M0, M1, M2, M3, and this one is M4. And then M14 and M15. As you know, M4, M5, I will write all the numbers, M0, M1, M2, M3, then M4, M5, M6, M7. Okay, then we will start from here, M8, M9, and then M10 here, and the M11, and then M12, M13, and at the end M14, and here comes M15. Whatever the values are given, that we will consider it as a 1. That means min term is present in that position. So the 0, at 0 there is 1. And at 4 there is 1. Here it is. At 14 there is 1. Here it is. And at 15 there is 1. Here it is. Now we have to reduce the expression. What that expression is? How we can find out the expression? Wherever 1 is there, so we will take all other part as 0. 0, and now here 0, 0, here 0, 0, 0, 0. That means here there is one pair, here there is one pair, adjacent pair. So what the K-map solution says? When we are reducing the expression, adjacent ones are encircled. If two adjacent ones are encircled, that means two adjacent ones are available in the K-map, those things we'll call it as a pair. Now this is one pair. I can mark it. This is one pair. And again, here there are two adjacent values, and this is another pair. Now there are two pairs. Okay? And in the K-map, first we will search for the octet. That means adjacent 8 values. If those are not available, we will search for the chord. Chord means adjacent 4 values. If that is not available, we will see adjacent 2 values. That is called as one pair. That means in the K-map, while solving the expression using K-map, we will try to find out octet, that means 8 adjacent values, and then chord, that is 4 adjacent values, and then we will search for one adjacent value, that means 2 values. That is called as pair. That means there will be pair, chord, and octet. Those things we will try to find out. And if the pair is here, now we can see the equation may be A bar, B bar. I can take equation in this way. A bar, B bar. Now the pair is 1 is here. A bar, B bar. C bar, D bar. Plus A bar, B. A bar, B. And C bar, D bar. Okay. This may be the one pair equation. That is nothing but M0 and M plus M4. Okay. And another pair of equation is, we will take here another pair, that is M15. That is nothing but A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar. A, B, C, D bar. Okay. And this may be the another equation. Okay. This is M15 and this is M14. Even you can take M14 first, M15 next to that. Now, here we can see, while reducing expression, commonly we will try to remove all the variables which changes its state from complemented to uncomplemented or uncomplemented to complement. We can see here in this example, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar, A bar, B, C bar, D bar. That means here B is changing from complemented to uncomplemented. That means B can be removed. That is the concept. While simplifying, which values we can remove? We can remove the values which is changing from complemented to uncomplemented or uncomplemented to complement. Those values can be removed. And as per the rule, y bar plus y is equal to 1. It may be any variable. This is general concept. Y bar plus y is equal to 1 as per the Boolean rules. As per Boolean rule, y bar plus y is equal to 1. And that can be applied for any two variable. Now b bar plus b is 1. Okay, how we can take that one? Now we can take the common terms outside. Which are the common terms? A bar is present here. B bar not present here, but the C bar, D bar. That means we can take A bar, C bar, D bar outside. Then the remaining one is B bar plus B. And as you know, there is rule. If it is changing from complemented to uncomplemented or uncomplemented to complement, then we can remove, because as the rule says, y bar plus y is equal to 1. Now here I can put the same result here. Now the A bar, C bar, D bar into 1. Now the simplified expression is A bar, C bar, D bar. Okay, and in the second one, A, B, C, D plus A, B, C, D bar. That means D is changing from uncomplemented to complement. So we can remove this one. Now we can simplify in this way. We will take common terms outside. A, B, C are common here. We can take it out. A, B, C, and the remaining one is D plus D bar. So by that the result is D plus D bar is 1 as per the same rule. Now A, B, C into 1. Now the result is A, B, C. Okay. Again we can simplify by adding these two. A bar, C bar, D bar plus A, B, C. Now here we can see A bar is changing from A bar to A, C bar is changing from C bar to C, and D bar and B are not available. That means we can remove A and then C. Okay. A and C we can remove. But the B is not present this side, as well as D bar is not present this side. That will remain. So we can write directly A bar to A cancelled, C bar to C cancelled. I can take directly the D bar plus B, and this may be the result of this expression. So this is the pair reduction rule which we will follow in the K-map to solve the expressions or to simplify the expressions. So we will see one more example. Reduce f of ABCD is equal to summation of 0 to 7, 8, 10, 15 using K-map. Okay, if this expression is given, how to solve this one? So the first thing is, if you don't know how to draw the K-map directly, even you can use truth table for that purpose. Like 0, the solution, I can write solution in this way. Solution is f of ABCD equal to summation of 0, 2, 7, 8, 10, 15. This is given expression. And as per the given expression, I can take min term values as M0 plus M2 plus M7 plus M8 plus M10 plus M15. This is the equation, given equation. Then how we can do that one? If you know directly the M0 value, you can write it. M0 is equal to how much? M2 is equal to how much? Or even you can try it by another method. Just simplify it by using truth table. A, B, C, D. Okay, truth table for the given expression. How we can do that one? A, B, C, D, and the result is F. A, B, C, D and F. Now, A, B, C, D is 0, 0, 0, 0, first value. And the second value is 0, 0, 0, 1. All the decimal values you can write. This is 0 and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and then 14 and 15. Okay. So now here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 and then 1, 0, 1, 1, then 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 and then at the end 1, 1, 1, 0 and then at the last 15, that is nothing but 1, 1, 1, 1. So in the truth table you can write all the values. Okay, all the 16 values you can write one by one. Now wherever the values are given, min terms are given, there mark it as 1. M0, M0 is here, take 1. M2 is here, take 1. M7 is here, take 1. M8 is here, take 1. M10 is here, take 1. M15, that is here, 1. And all other terms as 0. Okay, now this is our result. Then how we can represent this one using K-map? In the K-map, I will take A, B, C, D, A, B on this side, C, D on this side. Now, the same concept, that is 0, 0, that is nothing but C bar, D bar, and then 0, 1, that is nothing but C bar, D, and then this side 1, 0, 1, 0 is C, D bar, and then 1, 1, that is C, D, this side. In the same way, A bar, B bar, then 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 1 is A bar, B, and here A, B bar, 1, 0 and 1, 1 is AB. Okay, we have to draw the K-map. Now, wherever 1 is here, you can take, or before that even you can write M0 is this one, M1 is this one, M2 is this one, M3. In the same way, M4, M5, and then M6 is here, M7, and then M8 is here, M9 is here, M10 is this one, and M11 is this one, and then M12, M13, M14, and then M15. So these are the decimal terms where we have to take. And now the min term, M0 is 1, correct? This is 1. Then M2 is 1. this one is 1. And then M7 is 1, this one is 1, M8 is 1, this is here, M10 is here, M10 is 1, and M15 is 1. Now here we can see, now there is 1 here, there is one value, we can mark this one, and there is one value here that we can mark, and as well as this one. As well as there is one pair. Okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4 all are in the corner. We can take it as like adjacents. So since if you take this one this side, this part this side, then it will be adjacent. Even though it is not side by side, but if you take this part here or this part here, then that will act like a adjacent value. Then it will be a chord. On this side, this one, this side, this one. Okay, when we take this one, this side, then the 4 values are at one area. So that we can call it as a chord. Now here, how we can represent the equation? So M7 is nothing but A bar B C D. One equation. A bar B C D, and this one plus A B C D. Now here A bar is changing complemented to uncomplement. That means that can be cancelled. We will take BCD out. BCD is common. A bar plus A. Now, as per the rule, as you know, A bar plus A is 1. So, BCD into 1. Now, the result is BCD by pair reduction rule. By the pair reduction rule, the result is BCD. Same way, we will take one more equation, that is chord, and by that the values are A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus M0, we have to take M2 then, A bar, B bar, C, D bar, A bar, B bar, C, D bar, and then we have to take M8, next value in the chord, that is A, B bar, C bar, D bar plus M10, that is A, B bar, C, D bar. Now the equation, the second equation is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A bar, B bar, C, D bar plus A, B bar, C bar, D bar plus A, B bar, C, D bar. So if you take only these two, so which all things we can take out common? A bar is common here, we can take it out. B bar is common, we can take it out. C bar is not common. D bar is common, we can take it out. Now C bar plus C plus, in this equation, if you take this part, A is common, we can take it out. B bar is common, we can take it out. C bar is not common, but D bar is common, that we can take it out. And C bar plus C is remaining inside. Now, these two are 1. The resultant equation is A bar, B bar, D bar plus A B bar D bar. Okay, now this is the resultant equation, and here we can see again we can remove the A here. So A we can remove, these two are common on both the sides. So the now resultant equation is B bar and D bar. Okay, since we took this is equal to B bar and D bar we took out, then the remaining one is A bar plus A. Now this one has 1. So since the result is B bar D bar. Now the resultant expression is at the end BCD is the first part, BCD plus B bar D bar. Now we can say the final reduced expression is BCD plus B bar D bar. This is the answer. Okay, and in the examination they will give same type of equation. That means they will give questions like reduce f of, then they will give 4 variables and then min term values, and you have to write truth table and then the K-map, and on that basis you have to write the equations and you have to try to minimize it by pair reduction rule. And remember, in pair reduction rule the common thing is uncomplemented to complement, complemented to uncomplement values are coming, we can take it as 1. That means we can remove those values. That you have to remember in the reducing the equations using K-map. And in your notes at the end some questions are given. Even in the previous question paper the same questions are available. Try to solve those questions. At least 2 or 3 you have to send it to my number. Thank you. God bless you.